it's Brooke with WTI. We have all had our favorite body wash, that body wash that leaves us smelling like we came out of a spa and our skin feels refreshed and dewy. Well, that's why I love Dove's body wash. This is their Gentle Exfoliating Sea Mineral Body Wash, and it does such a wonderful job of cleaning the skin, but very gently, so I'm less likely to peel during those winter months, and it just smells so amazing. Smells are nostalgic. It smells clean. I like that it's very subtle, but it's sweet and it's fresh. It's not overwhelming, and it just leaves us smelling great all day long. So I don't even feel like I need to cover my skin up with any perfumes unless I want to. It's great for not getting a buildup of skin, especially like around your ankles, because it has a gentle exfoliating moisturizer as well. And it does great because it has this micro moisture droplets. And I feel like that, along with the exfoliation, it just leaves my skin feeling moisturized. So we absolutely love using this, and it doesn't cause me any irritation or rashes. I love this. This is definitely a must in my house, but that's just my point of view.